Hello everyone, today Teacher Sunny is here once again to explain a problem for you. Let's take a look at this sequence together. 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, point. So what number should come next? To answer this, we need to carefully observe the sequence and try to find its pattern. If we can figure out the pattern, then we'll know what number should be filled in next, point. Alright, let's see if there's a pattern from the perspective of operations. Is it possible that the numbers are being added? But it doesn't really look like that. And it's probably not the case, right? Because the sequence is 2, 2, 3, 3, so 22 plus 33 equals 55. Could it be a Fibonacci sequence, but 33 plus 55 would be 88, and that's not the next number, right? So in this situation, after trying a few things, if the usual patterns I can observe don't work, what should I do then? First, let's pay attention to these four numbers. We notice that they're all even numbers, right? They're even numbers. 22, 33, 55, 77. They're all even numbers. So what does that tell us? Right, each of them contains a factor of 11. So, for each number in this sequence, we can break it down into its factors. For instance, 22 can be broken down into 2 and 11. Similarly, 33 can be broken down into 3 and 11. As you can see, this pattern continues for all the numbers in the sequence, and each one includes 11 as a factor. Then for 55, similarly, we can break it down into 5 and 11. As for 77, we can break it down into 7 and 11. Now, pay attention. What do we notice here? After breaking them down, each one indeed has 11 as a factor, right? 11 is a factor here. And what else do we notice? Besides the factor of 11, we also see that 2, 3, 5, and 7 are present. What kind of numbers are these exactly? So, can everyone see it clearly? 2, 3, 5, and 7 are all considered prime numbers, right? Let's start from the very smallest prime number, which is 2. In other words, what specific number should we actually fill in the parentheses right here in this spot? We already know that one of them must be an existing factor, so what about the other factor in this particular situation? It must be the subsequent prime number that comes right after 7. So, what is the next prime number that comes after 7? Is it 9? Is 9 a prime number? 9 isn't a prime number because it can be divided evenly by 3, so it's not a prime. Therefore, the next prime number is actually 11. That is to say, 11 times 11. So the number that should be filled in the parentheses is 121. This way, we can figure out the pattern of this sequence. Have you learned it? If you have, give me a high five and don't forget to like and share with more friends so they can come and learn too.